Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to convert 2D image into 3D in Adobe Illustrator. Before starting work, is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Back to our work. So this is our 2D image and then we are going to convert our 2D into 3D. On top you see window, so click on it and then you see 3D and material, so again click on it. Now you see 3D and material, you see object, material, lightning. So first we are going to select image. Now select 2D image. So we select it and then you see object, 3D type, plane, extrude, revolve, inflate. Now select plane. Now you see create a flat 3D object. So we select and then you see custom rotation and then you see x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So you can adjust three values according to requirement. Now you see y-axis, and then you see z-axis. So you can adjust these three values according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.